What is up, you guys? It's your girl Gab, and I'm back with another video today. My hair has been going through it. Y'all probably hear me say all the time. And I remembered last night, girl, you went through this before. What did you do to fix it? Aphogee. Y'all, this was the protein treatment killer. Like, it got me straight that first time, and my hair started getting luscious and stuff. That 2019 Gab, yeah, that was because of Aphogee. And I went through this whole phase, and I don't know why I didn't think about that earlier. So I'm thinking last night, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to go ahead, get my workout on in the morning, and then go ahead, go down to Sally's and get me some. And I was like, maybe I have it already. Got up this morning, boo, I had it. I ain't gotta spend all my money. I did want my Eco Style gel, but because I am hurting so much from working hard yesterday and working out this morning, we're just gonna deal with the same little LA gel that I have down here. But I just washed my hair. It says to use the Aphogee damage shampoo, damage control, damage something shampoo, but I don't have that and I didn't feel like going to the store, so I just used some dry damaged Maui shampoo, which it makes my hair feel so good, y'all. Y'all see that? Like, when I can do this, that's when I know my shampoo actually worked. But other than that, it's either still very frizzy up here or tangled. So I'm pretty sure it'll work. It'll still work with it. I got the 2-step protein treatment. I had been having this one. So let's go ahead and get started with this video right now, right after this intro. Right now I'm sectioning my hair, as you can see, so that I can actually saturate my hair with the treatment and also use a wide tooth comb in order to comb it out. Y'all, that was a little process because my hair was a little tangled. So take your time just to make sure you're getting all the treatment through your whole head, all the strands, from the roots all the way to the end, everywhere. All right, now this is the important part. You want to leave your hair uncovered, not using a plastic cap or anything, but you can sit under a medium heat dryer, or if you don't have that, like me, use a blow dryer. And make sure you do not agitate your hair. Do not put a comb to it, do not put a brush to it, because it will be extremely hard. I just finished blow drying it. As you can see, still stiff, baby, still stiff. I dry my hair for a good 30 minutes. I am about to hop. I don't know if I want to hop back in the shower. I'm probably just gonna do it in the sink and apply the balancing moisturizer and leave that in for 2 minutes, and then I'll be back. I just want to mention that it is so sticky. Like, my hands just feel disgusting. It's so sticky. All right, so now I'm applying this. I'm so crazy, y'all. I was sitting there using it like a regular conditioner, rinsing it out, but it said wait 2 minutes. It feels so good. It smells good too. This one, the balancing moisturizer, so soft, silky smooth. I see a little bit of activity happening, like a little bit of curls, which I don't expect it to just work because I gotta be consistent. I remember the first time I thought it didn't work, but I think by the second time that I did it, it was doing what it needed to do. I'm about to sit and leave this for 2 minutes and then rinse it out, and then I'll get back with y'all. I am back, and let me just say this. My kitchen is immaculate right now. I can feel my scalp through my kitchen. This is an amazing feeling, y'all. It's been a while since I felt this. And I'm so mad that it took me so long to figure it out that I needed a protein treatment. I'm about to go ahead and use this Mielle leave-in, Mielle, I always say Mielle, but Mielle leave-in conditioner, the pomegranate and honey, which is one of my faves. And like I said, I did not feel like going to the store to get no Eco Styler gel, so I'm just gonna be whipping it up with this curl activator gel by LA what? Long Aid. Yeah, LA Long Aid. So let's see. I'm gonna give it the test first. I put the conditioner in already, leave-in. So let's see how this about to go. Here come the gel. This is like the ultimate test right here. Officially down to my last little section. I definitely see and notice the difference in the way my hair feels. It feels very, very clean and more manageable. There we go, that's the word, more manageable. And that's what I was hoping for, but I also was hoping for my curls to kind of show that they want to be back, you know. And honestly, on this side, I definitely see it. Like, this side is never really, it wasn't even that bad on this side. So you can kind of see the curls. And this side is the side that I'm really trying to work hard on. So the difference in this first wash is that I definitely see some definition that's trying to get back, but I know it's gonna be a work in progress. But my main situation is it getting dry at the scalp and then showing with the rest of the strands and not really curling up. So like I said, it's gonna be a work in progress. This is my first time doing it in a while. And when I mentioned the first time that I had like the damaged issue and I did the Aphogee treatment, I'm saying like that was a few years ago. Because 2019 my hair was flourishing because I was taking care of it and doing better than right now. Now I'm kind of busy. I've been just wrapping my hair up, putting the ball, putting the puff. But we're about to go back to that whole no puff, no none of that unless you absolutely need to. Just let my hair do what it needs to do and take good care of it. Stay shampoo and conditioner. I do that every week. Try to stay consistent with my products and make sure I sit under the heated bonnet. I need to keep deep conditioning my hair because that's the main thing that I stopped and I'm seeing a difference and I don't like it. More consistent with protein treatments and trim. I need to go ahead and get my hair trimmed. So probably in November, because right now in Louisiana, the weather is not consistent. Like it's fall, but it's summer fall. So we may get like 1 day, 2 days within the month of October. Probably in November too, where we get actual fall weather. But other than that, it's been hot and humid. So probably in November or December, I'll blow my hair out and then do a trim, or I might go to a professional to do it for me so I can get a silk press and call it a day. So this is what it's looking like after I gelled it all up. I honestly think it looks better than what I did last week when I just used the gel without the protein treatment. I might show some of that video in this video too, just so y'all can kind of compare. But overall, it feels amazing. It feels very moisturized. So I'm gonna keep it up, y'all. I promise. And I'm gonna keep y'all updated too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to your girl. Comment down below if you use Aphogee. If you have any other protein treatment, let me know what you have. And I don't know. I ain't gonna say I'm gonna give it a try because I'm trying to be consistent right now with this one. So the next time I do it, I'm probably gonna use Aphogee. But that is it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.